This van just came in 2023 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L BRAUNABILITY XT power side entry handicap wheelchair conversion. This top of the line BRAUNABILITY power fold out ramp system. We are a authorized BRAUNABILITY dealer and service center. This van has 5,600 original miles, still under factory warranty until December 2026. Gorgeous condition inside and out. Has a Q-lock 150 docking system in the back that can be removed or moved to a different position in the van if you need it. If you have any questions about this or any of our other vehicles, give us a call at 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken. We've been in business 49 years. We're happy to help at any time. We have financing available. We can ship to any destination in the world, and we take anything in trade. So just let us know how we can help. We're very competitive with our trade-in values. This van is flawless. There's not a mark anywhere on it. Beautiful blue fathom pearl. Tires are like new. I mean, the whole van has 5,000 miles. Absolutely gorgeous black leather interior. Fully automatic ramp system. The beautiful thing about this van is it comes with a driver's transfer seat as well. This can be removed if you need it to be removed. That is a driver's 6-way transfer seat. You can also drive the van regularly. It's no problem. It doesn't get in the way. It's just a nice feature to have. It's an extra added option. 5,623 miles. Beautiful condition. 2 keys. So you have the transfer seat option, and it does have a Q-lock 150. Everything is working and functioning exactly the way it's supposed to. 6-way transfer seat, ready to go. It does not have hand controls, but we can install hand controls if you need them. Just let us know how we can help. We do adaptive controls, docking systems, any other seating options. You just let us know how we can help, and we can make it happen for you. If you would like to buy this van and have the transfer seat removed, just let us know. We can also make that happen for you as well. So give us a call at 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken. We're happy to help at any time. This is a clean title, clean Carfax. No issues, no stories whatsoever. Just like a brand new van with 5,600 miles. Comes also with a set of regular tie downs. And it's all there. It's like a brand new van with 5,600 miles. Gorgeous condition. Feel free to reach out to us at any time. 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Supreme Motors and Mobility, Boca Raton, Florida. 49 years in business. All your owner's manuals. This thing is all good, ready to go. Just like a brand new van, you could save a ton of money buying a van like this, still under factory warranty. So if you have any questions or concerns, give us a call, 954-561-2499. Visit us at suprememotorsusa.com, suprememotorsusa.net. We have the best vans in the world, used and new. So feel free to give us a call at any time. Ask for Jeff or Ken, 954-561-2499. Thank you.